In this video, we'll learn how to make a group video call on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First things first, let's make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your device. If you are an Android user, open up the Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp and update it if necessary. If you're an iPhone user, open up the App Store, search for WhatsApp and update it if required. Once you've updated WhatsApp, open up the app and start a video call with one of your contacts. Once they accept your call, you'll see a plus icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Tap on it and you'll be able to add more contacts to the call. Search for the contacts you want to add, tap on them and then tap Add. The request will be sent, and once the contact accepts, they'll be able to have a group video chat with them. That's it. Now you know how to make group video calls on WhatsApp. You hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.